Okay, hi everyone.
Oh, now he's making a video.
I'm making a YouTube video. Here's my Pepsi. We're in
Lincoln City, so Oregon's on fire.
We're in Lincoln City. We took a little 4 or 5 hour drive to a seafood restaurant. It's called Moe'S. It's Madison.
I guess I'll just sit here and eat it while
Babe.
he's making his video.
Okay, so I got the seafood platter combination. Fries, fish, chill a little burn, but that's okay. And it came with like 6 shrimp.
I'm not one for pink burgers.
And the butterfly them. And then we have clam strips. Oh, it fell apart. Hold up. Here we go. They're good. It's good. We like it.
Let's do a competition.
It's a vibe.
How many views you can get on yours and mine?
Oh, that's a beautiful cup. How many views? Oh.
I wonder.
So that you like there?
No, I wish we could like. If I want them. It's taking me 4 minutes. Oh, there we go. Oh.
What is
It
it?
took me 4 minutes to figure out how to put my plate.
Wait, they can't see me.
Don't knock over that water, baby.
Okay. I don't like garnish. Don't put garnish on my plate. We'll just set her right there. Make her a moment. Wait, can y'all see?
What?
I'll hold mine.
How about with dessert?
This is really good.
With dessert. You know my mom needs dessert.
I need a haircut.
I think I'm gonna make a TikTok video instead. But this video is gonna get more views than yours.
Oh, you think? So what is everybody doing today?
I need ice
It's still smoky here in
and
Oregon.
a straw.
Everything's still on fire. But we escaped to Lincoln City.
It's my video, but all they can hear is you.
So they're being blessed. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all like my outfit? I have a whole suit on. Oh.
The people behind you keep looking.
Probably because they've never seen YouTubers before. Yeah.
Black people. We are in Oregon. That happens all the time in Bend.
What do y'all dip y'all fries in?
Every black person who sees the belt always says hi.
I dip my fries in whatever sauce I have available. This is tartar sauce.
I know I need ranch.
Oh, do you peel the tail off before you eat it, or you just bite it? I eat the tail last.
This is everybody's face watching you right now. I watched him eat for almost 2 years, and I still can't stand it. You should see him eat chips.
Next video, I'm gonna eat chips.
Oh, what is that? That looks like an adult beverage.
I'm getting full.
Who asked the manager?
I don't like clam strips that much. They're always on a seafood
I
platter.
need ranch. I
Why?
have all these fries.
Give me more shrimp and more fish on my platter, please. Oh,
Got cherry.
this is
Oh, I
cocktail
think it's a
sauce.
cosmopolitan.
This cocktail sauce is kind of spicy.
I don't know if you can see. And that's a nice golden crust on it.
Oh, shrimp shell.
Crunchy. It's so loud and hot here.
We need something with their
ranch.
no, we need something with their logo on it. Oh.
And we got shirts. We got matching shirts because we're that couple.
See?
We got married. And
We're-
that's the cabbage salad. I'm so
Moe's
glad I didn't
seafood
get that.
and chowder. Can y'all see that?
I wanted a salad.
It's so
and
blurry.
bread,
Y'all can't see that. It's fine.
But I don't eat seafood.
I'm so full. Y'all want to see my view?
Okay, let's go make a TikTok.
This is my view right now.
Give me more views than devout.
Me and Melissa having a competition who gets the most views. Let's go. It's so hot in here.
Holy shit. Babe.
I feel fine.
Hey, when you're done, I want to make a TikTok. Are you done?
Hi everybody. No? I'm just gonna let it run. You want to see Ryan?
Go give me more views than devout.
Pew pew pew. Look at beautiful Maddie. He's so cute. Bye.
Are you rich?
Oh, give me my pen.
What do you need? Do you want these? Yeah.
I'm so high.
Oh, does anybody else eat and then clean up the table like Melissa? Melissa like literally cleans the table. It's like when the bussers come out here, don't have anything to do but just pick the plates up.
Exactly, that's how it should be.
I don't like clam chowder. There you go, Nugget. That was Sandy. What is TikTok? That's so Sandy. Oh my god, I'm crunching on sand. If y'all eat seafood, do you hate when you eat seafood and it has a whole bunch of sand in it?
You need to eat first.
I like my outfit.
Nobody likes the outfit.
I'm so full, but not really.
Is this? Oh, it's space though. Where's my soda?
In front of you, right here. I think Melissa's lost it. She took some peels.
This is daddy's. Don't say that out loud.
She took some beautiful pills. Where'd Madison go?
Mango.
Oh,
Now from the top, make it drop, just laugh. Now get up, I'll get it, make it stop. I'm talking.
somebody need to open up a seafood shack with like actual seafood, not frozen.
I'm trying to find a good.
We're on the beach, but nobody has like good seafood. Everything's
Where's the
frozen.
pork one? Portrait right now.
How is everybody's kids doing in school online? It's a lot of work. They should pay us to be teachers at home.
No, they should not.
They
Don't
should.
get me started on that. I got. No, we'll ask for refills.
Ryan has school from 8 to 8:30, and well, it's 8 to 1, But after 8:30 to 1, he doesn't have to be on the computer. But he has to get back on it at 8:30. I mean, at 1:30 or whatever it is, do his closing circle time. But we don't get on it. They look like Christina.
Who?
Christina
I don't know who Christina is.
from Pilot View. You okay? I love Pepsi. What is that? Oh, is that a burger? I think we're going to do a TikTok also. Oh, the hotel we're staying at doesn't have Wi-Fi. What is that about? And it's like isn't that one of the biggest hotels?
What?
The one we were at?
It's the casino.
The casino doesn't have Wi-Fi. Like, what are they doing to us? And everything is closed down. They closed their arcade down.
Okay, this is like so bad. Can I go back to you? Wait, it's going backward. Here we go. Okay. This for 60 seconds.
Y'all see my nose ring? I want to get a bigger one. Should I get a bigger one?
Hey, can you turn it off while I'm making a TikTok?
No. I can't do that because I can't edit them together to make one video. Cool.
I'm at Moe's in Lincoln City. I got the bacon cheeseburger, and this person in front of me is recording me. It'll be $150. I'm at Moe's in Lincoln City.
So, Halloween is coming up. I'm talking to my people. Come on.
Clean this stuff up. I will trash.
I want somebody to like open a restaurant and have like fried crab them. Like real seafood. You can tell this is the frozen. Well, I hope this audio is good because it's really loud. I don't know what y'all can hear and what y'all can't.
How do you change the time on this? Oh,
It should be at the bottom. Melissa's making a TikTok. You making a food TikTok?
I'm at Lowe's in Lincoln. Oh, Moe's.
Lowe's.
Fuck.
Melissa's at a furniture garden store. Melissa's at a hardware store.
I'm at. Oh, I'm say it again.
Moe's. Like Mo money.
I'm at Moe's in Lincoln City for cheeseburger.
Anybody else got their nose pierced?
I literally fucking asked you not to talk while we're making a video.
Oh.
Okay,
You were
Ryan.
talking in my video. Talking time. Thank you very much.
He's been talking for like 10 minutes in his own video.
Yeah, because mine's a YouTube channel. But that's all. Thank you. I will see y'all later.